how many days now, and the weather is not even good. It's not good. And I'm going to some clothes. Some clothes now. I washed some clothes yesterday night. I just have to do this one out of the way because I need space. I need space. Let me take this one this way. Okay, now I've done this part. So, the time. Let me fold this clothes quickly. Wow. My guys go there in hurry. Oh God. Oh God. It's as if we are going to another world. I want to wash all these rag for bedroom and some of our slippers that is very, very dirty. Then I'm going to put Jake to disinfect them. What should be our business? You go for concern me, concern you. No, for not concern me, concern you now. Person will give you work, may you do. You go there do the work. You go there do another thing. What if they don't send you? Nonsense. Nonsense, AI. Okay. Now sharp, 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 sharp. Sharp, sharp. Now I can do all of this. Sharp. I still have a lot of work. A lot of work going on today. Oh God, I'm just laughing at myself. This one is already big. I have to remove it one day, but I don't have the strength. I just continue using it. That disappoints. AI that disappoints. Who programmed you did not program your head very well. Really?